Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Now we have a rolling register reward, which is very unique at Walgreens, and it is a very unique one to begin with. I really recommend that you read the comments below how people are doing. Is it still rolling? Is it still working? Is this worth your time to go do? I would do this ASAP because here's the deal. They are going to stop this pretty quick because this is not how it's intended to be. This is the manufacturer register reward that I'm talking about. I might call it the blue coupon, but this is what I'm talking about. So if you were buying a certain amount of P&G products, it was printing on Sunday, and it has a very weird expiry date. If you look at the top, it says it expires on the 16th, which is Wednesday, and I did my deal Sunday morning, so none of this adds up that it's such a quick expiry date. So I had a thought in my mind to go in store and try and use it on another deal and see if it would roll for me. And yes, it is in fact rolling. So the items that I was specifically looking to get was the Gain Liquid and the Gain Flings. Because this is some tremendous value, pairing that $5 with a high value digital coupon, and then another register reward will print for me. Like, yes, and you can use Walgreens cash, and you must do this in store only. Can't do it as a curbside because it's involving a register reward. So just to explain this, I would do it in two separate transactions to use that rolling register reward. And these are the digitals that you're going to have to load. The $4 off for the fling and the $4 off for the liquid detergent. And again, you're doing this in separate transactions so you can keep rolling that blue register reward. To show you in my first transaction with my flings, $15.99, I had my $5 blue register reward scanned perfectly. $4 digital came off for me, and I earned my register reward from my haul that I did earlier on Sunday morning. So $6.99. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, so I paid $1.99 plus tax. Now, if you do not have that blue register reward, this will be $11.99 for you. You can use $10 in Walgreens cash, and then you'll earn a register reward to roll into deal number 2. And it's very important that you really pay good attention to this and read the comments down below, because whenever this ends, it's going to end quick. And then another one of these guys printed for me, and I'm like, oh, I really want to get more of this liquid because, I mean, we just never get really fire deals on this. So this guy is $15.99. Now, I had already used my digital coupon earlier in the month on this guy, but there's a $1.05 digital that's still floating around my account, so I was able to get it to work. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try this. So this guy, $1.05, which is really weird, but still load it. You have nothing to lose. So here we are at $15.99. My $5, that blue register reward off, the $1.05 off. So the new total is $9.94. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid down the balance of the tax, and then another blue $5 register reward printed for me. So I did many transactions. Obviously, you don't hog up the line. If there are other customers, go to the back of the line after your first transaction. But it's fantastic to get this gain for $6.99 this cheap when this is almost like what, 17, 18 bucks on a non-sales week. Because this register reward has such a quick expiry date, my last transaction, I didn't want to leave the store with any of these in my hand. I grabbed one of these bounties for $5.49, and then I also grabbed one single roll of toilet paper for 79 cents. Now, with that 2 roll of the bounty, there's a $1 digital coupon that is in fact attaching to that product. So I wanted to utilize it. So I got that little big roll to get the math to balance. And I'm going to show you the receipt here in a quick second. And then just to show you, $5.49 for my gorgeous paper towel, 79 cents for that roll. And then we have my $5 blue P&G coupon, and then that $1 digital. So 66 cents with tax. That is perfectly fine, and I don't have one of those living rent free in my wallet where it's going to expire and I'm going to be really upset. But this is just absolutely fantastic. In the comments down below, if you can please share what your transaction was like, Is it working? Is it not working? And the time and the state that you're in, I would be so, so grateful to help other shoppers out. And do yourself a favor when you walk in the store, listen, is the machine printing stuff, or ask the cashier, hey, is that stupid machine printing coupons today, to give you a little bit of intel if this is going to work or not. Now, yesterday I made a video in store doing various little deals, including a $45 basket. I will link this video here at the very end. And there's also 90% off of selected toys. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, but definitely worth your time. I'll link the video right here. And good luck, guys. This is not going to last very long. So share down below what's going on. And I wish you all good luck. Bye.